Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. The Code Verse. Today we will learn how to send an email from a website to our Gmail account using Flutter. If you like the video, please like and share the video. And if you are new in the channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Let's get started. So to send an email, I am going to use this web page that I have created and use these form fields to send the email to my Gmail account. To send an email, we use a third-party library, Email.js. Email.js is a JavaScript library that helps send emails using only client-side technologies. The cool thing about Email.js is that no servers are required. All you have to do is connect it to one of the supported email services. Create an email template, and use Email.js to trigger an email. Go to your web browser and write email.js.com. You will find this website. Create an account by providing your name and email address, and sign up. I am entering my name and email. Provide a password, check the CAPTCHA and hit the sign up button. It will send a verification to your Gmail account, so go to your Gmail account and verify it. Now sign in again. Here in the dashboard, to enable the email service, you have to add a new service. So just click on the Add New Service button. Select Gmail from the services. Now hit the Connect Account button. Now select your Gmail account, which you want to connect with Email.js. Now click on Continue button. And now I am connected with my Gmail account. Now hit the Create Service button. So that our email service is create. Now we have our email service is created so far. Now we have to define an email template for our service. For that we will go to Email Templates and hit the Create New Template button. Here we have our default template, and we will modify it for sure. We have our email subject here, the sender name of course, who sent you an email. And here hello to underscore name, means who will receive this email. Of course I will put my name here, because I am receiving the email. These are basically the parameters, which we will pass in the body of API later on. And the message is here. And here reply to, it is the sender email. From name, means who send this email. To email, the email of the receiver. So we will modify it according to our needs, right? Let's modify it. In the subject field I will write a parameter name, user underscore subject. Here I am just putting my name. Okay. Here I am leaving the text as it is. You got a new message from, just replace the parameter with, user underscore name. And here user underscore message. Remove this text. Here we put user underscore email, so we can respond to his email. Right. Here I will remove my name and put here the user underscore name. Here you can add your email address, on which Gmail account you want to receive these emails. Here I will put the user underscore email again. Okay, everything is perfect. So just click the save button, and our template is ready to go. Now let's jump to the code section. Here the design is ready, we just implement the backend service. Here we have our text controllers here. We just have to connect the controllers with the text fields. So let's just quickly add them. Okay, I am creating a service folder, so we can implement the backend services. And I create a send underscore email.dart file. Create a class send email service. Create a method send email, and make it static so we can call it by the class name directly. Add the required parameters. Okay, now we need a post API to make the connection. So go to Email.js again and go to Docs, and under Docs, just scroll down, and you will have a REST API, click on Send. Here you will get the resource URL. Request information. Rate limit. Parameters. What are the parameters you need to pass, and which one is required and which one is not required? You have to pass user ID, template ID, and service ID, and where you will get these, is given in the description part. Get back to code. We have our post URL now. Now I have to add an HTTP package to make the API call, so just add it from terminal. And here our package is installed successfully. So now parse the URL. Import HTTP package. Now make API call using HTTP, and pass the endpoint URL. And also add body which required a map, a key pair value. So add the required parameters in the body, so I just copy them from here and paste it here. Okay, now go to your email.js account again. Go to email service. Here you have the service ID, just copy it and go back to your code and paste it here. Now go to email templates, and my default template, go to settings, here you will get the template ID. For user ID go to account section, and here the public key is your user key, just copy it and paste. Now add headers, that what type of data you are sending, so that the server can easily process it. For that go to docs again, and here in the request information you will see, what are the headers we need to pass. Okay, just perfect. Before we add the required parameters, I just wrap the body with JSON.encode. Now to add these fields, we need another parameter, so go back to docs, and here, you see template parameters of the template. We need to pass these parameters in, template_params, which accepts a key pair value again. I am adding them quickly. Make sure these parameters are exactly the same, as you have defined in the template. Anything you change in the template, make sure to click on Save button. Now just check the response. And print the body. As we make a server call, so we have to wrap it with try catch, so we can handle the exceptions. Now everything is done, we just call it on the send email button. And pass the parameters as required. Make it async and wait for the end of the job. And now reload it. So let's check it. Write an email. Now click send email. I am not doing form validation, and did not add any progress indicators, or anything else. That is why we didn't see anything happens. So let's see that we send the email or not. Go to your email.js account, and go to email history. Here you can see we have successfully sent an email. You can see here, our username, email, message, and all the other info that we have sent. Let's go to our Gmail account, and see we have received email, or not. Here is my Gmail account open, just refresh it, and you can see, we have received an email. The subject, and all the details, username, etc. And you can reply to the email as well. This was for web applications. If you want to send it from mobile application, you will have to add origin, http://localhost in the headers section, so can send it from mobile apps also. Okay, that's all. That is how you can send email to your Gmail account in Flutter using email.js library. If you found this video useful, please like and share the video, and if you are new in the channel, you can support me by subscribing my channel. Thank you.